biggest source for leads that we've found for us here, okay, and that's really all I can speak to there, is we've had a strong reception at these things called Green Drinks. Green Drinks is a national, well, it's actually an international organization that puts on small networking events once a month for people to go out and talk about green topics with other green people. And what you quickly find is that those organizations, the more time that you spend in them, the more people recognize who you are, and the more people start to introduce people through you to other people. They'll say, oh, yeah, that person knows that person. You should talk to them first. What happens in that is you get into a lot of conversations. You find out who's doing green building, who's got a green building project coming up, who's been thinking about renewable energy, who's planning on it even this year. We're planning to go green this year as a company. You'll hear all kinds of things like that at those green drink events. So those are great. And I think you can go to greendrinks.org to find out when in your local area that there is. If you don't have one of those in your direct area, then organize one, because you'll almost certainly find a large number of people would be interested in coming to it. Yeah, it is greendrinks.org. That's one really great marketing place to get out there and find people that are interested in being green. Another thing that, there's always trade shows. If you want to position yourself at business and industry trade shows, it's always a great source for leads. Usually if you can get into one that's got a sizable number of businesses attending to it, that's fantastic. Don't go out and spend the bank on a big, huge booth unless you've got a lot of capital to do so in your first year. Start out small, maybe get a small booth and build up over time in subsequent years. Local newspapers that have a very low cost of advertising to advertise in. We're talking about very small regional ones are probably worth the money to put into to get yourself out there. Certainly have a web presence if you can. But yeah, they should definitely have some type of presence on the web, because everybody's going to ask them if they have a website, what's their website address, blah, blah, blah. And it's really, you have to be proactive. There will not be people beating down your door for this type of service, because people generally don't even, have a sense or awareness around the idea for it. So you have to be out at all the green events. Okay, find out when the green events are, get on some type of list of when they are, and be there for those events in person, especially the ones that don't cost anything, because you always want to be asymmetrical in what you're doing. You want to be able to go out there and spend very little dollars to get yourself very well known. But that's my suggestions right off the bat.